Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: the relationship between food and cancer. It's no secret that what we eat plays a crucial role in our overall health, but did you know that certain foods can either increase or decrease your risk of developing cancer? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of cancer-related foods, shedding light on the culprits that may contribute to cancer and the heroes that can help combat it. First, talk about the foods that may raise your cancer risk. Processed meats, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol consumption have all been linked to various types of cancer. These foods can lead to inflammation and other harmful effects in the body, making it essential to be mindful of our choices. On the flip side, we'll also highlight the foods that can help protect against cancer. Think vibrant fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These nutrient-dense options contain antioxidants and phytochemicals to support your body's natural defenses and promote healing. As we navigate this topic, we aim to engage you with compelling facts and insights that will empower you to make informed dietary choices. Understanding how diet impacts cancer risk and recovery is not just important, it's life-changing. So, stick around as we uncover the powerful connection between what's on your plate and your health. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The only two foods that cause cancer, according to science, regarding cancer prevention, knowledge is power. Today, we're focusing on two specific foods that scientific research has linked to cancer development: processed meats and sugary beverages. Understanding the evidence behind these foods can help you make healthier choices for a better future. First up, processed meats. Studies have shown that consuming processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats, is associated with an increased risk of colorectal cancer. The World Health Organization has classified these meats as Group 1 carcinogens, meaning there is sufficient evidence to conclude they can cause cancer in humans. The cancer-causing properties stem from the preservatives, like nitrates and nitrites, which can form harmful compounds during digestion. Next, let's talk about sugary beverages. Regular consumption of sodas and sweetened drinks has been linked to various health issues, including obesity, which is a significant risk factor for several types of cancer. The high sugar content in these drinks can lead to insulin resistance and inflammation, both of which are associated with cancer development. Avoiding these foods is crucial for better health. Instead of reaching for that sugary soda, consider hydrating with water or herbal teas. Choose fresh, unprocessed options like chicken or fish for meats, and incorporate more plant-based proteins into your diet. By being mindful of these two foods, you can take a proactive step toward reducing your cancer risk and enhancing your overall well-being. These four vegetables that feed cancer cells and cause damage. While vegetables are often celebrated for their health benefits, some may have properties that could potentially promote cancer cell growth when consumed in excess. Today, we'll discuss four vegetables that have raised concerns: potatoes, tomatoes, eggplants, and corn. Understanding their mechanisms can help you make informed dietary choices. First, let's look at potatoes. When cooked at high temperatures, primarily through frying or baking, potatoes can produce acrylamide, a chemical linked to cancer in animal studies. This compound forms when certain sugars and amino acids react during cooking, raising concerns about frequent fried potato product consumption. Next, while rich in lycopene, tomatoes can also be problematic for some individuals. They contain solanine, a natural toxin that can be harmful in large quantities. For those with particular sensitivities, excessive consumption of tomatoes may lead to inflammation, a known risk factor for cancer. Eggplants are another vegetable to be cautious about. They contain compounds called alkaloids, which can be toxic in high amounts. While the levels in eggplants are generally safe for most people, moderation is vital, especially for those with specific health conditions. Lastly, corn is often genetically modified and can be high in sugars, leading to insulin spikes that may promote cancer cell growth. While these vegetables can be part of a balanced diet, consuming them in moderation is essential. Instead, Consider incorporating cancer-fighting alternatives like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale, and colorful bell peppers. These options are not only nutritious but also support overall health and well-being. These 6 foods will burn fat, kill cancer, and heal body. In our quest for better health, certain foods stand out for their remarkable ability to aid in weight loss and cancer prevention. Today, we highlight 6 powerhouse foods to help you lead a healthier lifestyle. First up is broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is packed with sulforaphane, a compound shown to fight cancer cells. Broccoli is also low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight loss. You can easily incorporate it into your meals by steaming it as a side dish or adding it to salads and stir-fries. Next, we have berries, particularly blueberries and strawberries. These fruits are rich in antioxidants and vitamins that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both linked to cancer. Their natural sweetness makes them perfect for smoothies, yogurt, or a healthy snack. Third on our list is fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel. These fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may reduce cancer risk. Try grilling or baking them for a delicious and nutritious meal. Quinoa is another fantastic food choice. This whole grain is high in protein and fiber, helping you feel full while supporting weight loss. Use it as a base for salads or as a side dish. Remember garlic, known for its immune-boosting properties. Adding fresh garlic to your cooking can enhance flavor while providing health benefits. Lastly, green tea is a potent beverage containing catechins, which may help burn fat and prevent cancer. Enjoy it hot or iced throughout the day. Incorporating these foods into your daily meals can create a balanced diet, support weight loss, and prevent cancer. Embrace these nutritious options and take a step toward a healthier you. Cancer dies when you eat these 10 foods. Certain foods have shown remarkable potential in supporting our body's defenses against cancer. Today, we're sharing 10 foods that are not only delicious but also backed by science for their cancer-fighting properties. First on the list is broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable contains sulforaphane, which has been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and promote detoxification. Next, we have berries, particularly blueberries and strawberries. Rich in antioxidants, these fruits help combat oxidative stress and inflammation linked to cancer development. Garlic is another powerhouse. Studies suggest that the sulfur compounds in garlic can enhance immune function and may reduce the risk of certain cancers, including stomach and colorectal cancers. With its active ingredient, curcumin, turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may help prevent cancer cell proliferation. Adding turmeric to your meals can be both flavorful and beneficial. Fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, linked to lower cancer risk and improved heart health. Spinach contains vitamins and minerals, including folate, which are essential for DNA repair and may help reduce cancer risk. Green tea is another excellent choice, as it contains catechins that have been shown to inhibit tumor growth. Tomatoes, especially when cooked, are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Nuts, particularly walnuts, are high in healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help protect against cancer. Finally, sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which has been linked to a lower risk of several types of cancer. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet can enhance overall health and well-being. Make a conscious effort to enjoy these cancer-fighting foods and empower your body in the fight against cancer. 7 fruits that destroy cancer. Regarding cancer prevention, fruits play a vital role in our diets. Today, we highlight 7 fruits shown to combat cancer thanks to their rich nutrient profiles and powerful antioxidants. First on our list is blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, these tiny fruits have been linked to reduced oxidative stress and inflammation. Research has shown that blueberries may inhibit the growth of cancer cells, making them a delicious addition to smoothies or yogurt. Next, we have strawberries. These vibrant berries are rich in vitamin C and ellagic acid, both of which have been shown to possess anti-cancer properties. You can enjoy strawberries fresh, in salads, or blended into a refreshing smoothie. Pomegranates are another powerhouse fruit. They contain punicalagin and punicic acid, which have been found to slow cancer cell growth in various studies. Try adding pomegranate seeds to oatmeal or salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Grapes, mainly red and purple varieties, are high in resveratrol, which inhibits cancer cell proliferation. Snack on fresh grapes or freeze them for a cool treat. Oranges are well known for their vitamin C content, which supports the immune system. The flavonoids in oranges also have anti-cancer effects. Enjoy them as a snack or in a refreshing juice. Kiwi is another excellent choice. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and fiber. Adding kiwi to fruit salads or smoothies can enhance flavor and health benefits. Lastly, apples contain quercetin, a flavonoid that may help reduce the risk of lung cancer. Enjoy apples raw, sliced with nut butter, or baked with cinnamon for a healthy dessert. Incorporating these 7 fruits into your daily meals and snacks can provide essential nutrients that support cancer prevention. Embrace these delicious options and empower your health. Throughout this video, we've explored the crucial distinction between foods that may contribute to cancer development and those that can help combat it. We highlighted specific foods linked to increased cancer risk, such as processed meats and sugary beverages, emphasizing the importance of moderation in our diets. On the other hand, we also celebrated the power of nutrient-rich foods like broccoli, berries, garlic, and fatty fish, which have been shown to support cancer prevention and enhance overall well-being. The key takeaway is that informed dietary choices can significantly impact your health. You can take proactive steps toward a healthier lifestyle by incorporating cancer-fighting foods into your meals and being mindful of those that may pose risks. Remember, it's not just about avoiding harmful foods. It's also about embracing those that nourish and protect your body. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Consider sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can spread awareness about the importance of diet in cancer prevention and overall health. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.